Alright guys, this is my first video, and I've not ever seen this one used or done on YouTube, but this is the after effect of me redoing the battery here and adding the distilled water and Epsom salt to it after cleaning it real good. And I hope you can see this here. It's got like barely any charge on it, and it's so little of a charge that my battery charger won't even attempt to charge it. So I've come up with a new way to help get these things going so that we can move on with our life here and not have to worry about doing all this stupid stuff here. But I've got another battery here. Let's see here. Let me zoom out a little bit here. Okay, now I have another battery here. And I know everybody's jumped off cars and busted cars off with the jumper cables. Well, that's pretty much what we're going to have to do with this. So I'll clamp this on here like that. Well, I didn't have another little alligator clip, so I had to improvise there. So let's see here. There we go. And now we're going to clamp this one down here. Let's see. Yeah. And now it's charging because it thinks it's charging a little 12-volt battery. It might kick off a couple of times. It don't tell me that it needs to be charged or restarted, but once it gets through that little path, it will end up charging really good, and I'll be able to take these little jumper cables off. Yeah, I've done this several times and it works just fine. Some people might have a better charger than that, but this is what you do when you got a cheap charger and coronavirus has got you down there to where you can't make any money. But now I hope everything turns out okay on this video. This is the first one, so don't get me too hard for it, okay? And hope this will help somebody. Thank you.